Hello, I'm Kim Sauer at Apex 2016 at the SMT Today booth. I'm joined today by Davina McDonnell from Saline. Lectronics.
Yes.
Great to see you,
Yeah,
and
good to
thank
see
you for taking the time here at the busy show. So we've met you before. We've spoken about what you do, and obviously one of the big themes that everybody's talking about, including you, is Industry 4.0, as we call it here in the States, is IoT, IOM. There's lots of words for it.
Right.
What's your angle on it, and what are you offering to the discussion?
I think our angle for us specifically is we've always looked forward. Before it was Industry 4.0, before it was the Internet of Things and really took hold in electronics manufacturing, our CEO and our production manager was always looking at machines that could talk to each other, right? So having machines that can not only just talk to themselves, but then to other machines. And so we've always invested in the right ones that can share data. And then in about 2 years ago, April 2014, we onboarded Kajascan's track, trace, and control system, and that's been a huge game changer for us because that essentially linked all of our SMT production equipment together. So we were not only having machines talk intelligently to each other and share data, but also having that enhanced traceability that we could share with our customers. Since then, we've been very careful about the types of machines that we buy, making sure that, like for example, our SPI and our AOI machines are both MERTEC, and so they can share data. If we see an error at AOI, we can automatically pull the SPI data and say, okay, what was the issue? And it can even make suggestions. And I think what that does, not only for us as a contract manufacturer, knowing that we can deliver a better quality product because we're checking everything, we're analyzing the data, but it gives our customers more reassurance that what they're getting is proper and accurate. And if anything does go wrong in the field, they know that they're going to have the information to back up what we've actually manufactured.
And that's important as a contract manufacturer in any region of the world. Your customers obviously need to be reassured. So the discussion is evolving, the technology is evolving on a speed, that is not imaginable, but obviously that requires a lot of investment. Do you have a plan going forward to create that smart factory of the future?
Definitely, and I think more than just the equipment are the right IT people, right? Yeah. Making sure that you have the right data analysis that are running the programs, really looking at the data. And right now our IT, we have 3 personnel in there, and looking forward, we want to onboard people to just look at the data that we're collecting, this shared data, to really understand it and then craft our manufacturing process around that, what that is specific to Saline Electronics and our customers. And really making sure, I think a big thing about Industry 4.0 is this continuity. So if you really understand the data that you're getting from the machines, you can have a more continuous, connected manufacturing plan.
So are you expecting that the jobs that are currently in a contract manufacturing environment, are you seeing an expansion of data processors? Are the roles changing here?
I think so. I think traditionally you looked at contract manufacturing and circuit board assembly as sort of labor-intensive production type jobs running the equipment. But now as you enter into the Internet of Things, the software is becoming much, much more important. And as you're linking together all the different software types, which Kajascan has done a tremendous job in helping us do, we need dedicated personnel to really just, more than just collecting it and those machines being able to talk to each other, to understand it and then plan moving forward, because there's such a wealth of information that you need those people to really get it. Yeah. And I think that's new to electronics manufacturing in general.
It's easy to collect data. It's a big job to actually analyze it.
Right, absolutely, absolutely.
Davina, it was great talking to you. Thank you very much, and great success for the rest of the show.
Thank you, I appreciate it.